I tried to get them in there, but it's too many. So my lentils are almost done. I have two different kinds of dal Indian lentils in here, and they're soft, so I'm gonna turn them off and let the residual heat. Let me get it right. Finish cooking it because I don't want it to burn. I just let it get soft and then I turn it off and let the heat cook the rest. I know y'all probably can't see this, but this is it, my kachari. And I'm gonna make the basmati rice in the rice cooker. I'll probably save this for a quick stir fry. And that's it. That's all, folks. Easy.